these transmissions for this time. The first transmission is a chant that came through as the presence of Uluru in Australia in 4. Uluru, the sacred rock, red soil, brought a note that you may want to experiment with, a deep as you can chant. Feel that note that begins to vibrate right in your heart center. These words flow through from Uluru. I am bathing in waters within, waters purified by heart flames of my kin, ancestors' hearts aflame with devotion. This I am bathing in my inner ocean. Uluru, 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 I am bathing in waters within, waters purified by heart flames of my kin, ancestors' hearts aflame with devotion. This I am bathing in my inner ocean. Uluru, 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 Oh, bathe in this innermost sea that I cannot find a you or a me. And as you bathe deeper, you too will see that your salvation is your relation to this innermost sea. So just feel now in the sea of your own being, a deeper bathing than ever before. This is what is needed for these times, beloved. Feel the sea infused with the heart flames of purification from all of our kin, flames of devotion, and resting here with Uluru in this inner ocean. I am bathing so deeply in waters within, waters purified by heart flames of my kin, ancestors' hearts aflame with devotion. This I am bathing in my inner ocean. So strongly I vibrate this innermost sea that I can no longer separate the you from the me. And as you bathe deeper within, it is there you will see that your salvation is your relation to yourself as this sea. Your salvation is your relation to yourself as this sea. So feeling the felt sense within your own being here and now, as you breathe this offering and transceive this offering from Uluru, in and out as one flow. And I'm just going to turn the camera around so you can see how the herd is holding space and amplifying and bathing in their innermost sea with us here and training us back to this natural landing place, this resting place